Hey YouTube, welcome back to Better Than Yourself. Today on Better Than Yourself, I want to make a really quick little carrot slaw. Something that's really super simple to make and won't take up a lot of time, and you can really get into fermenting and make something that's really delicious. It's basically just carrots and some ginger, and we're going to pack it in a jar and ferment it. And then you can ferment it for just a couple of days. Don't ferment it for like 6 years and make some kind of weird carrot miso thing that's like gross, and you don't need to do that. You know, when you ferment things, you can ferment them just for like a couple of days. You can ferment it overnight, and you'll get the probiotic benefit. You'll get, you know, the breakdown of the nutrients within the veg that you're fermenting. And you don't need to like ferment for a really long time. You know, my wife doesn't like that super sour taste, you know, that really sour fermented taste that you get when you make a lot of these vegetables. Don't do that. Just, you know, ferment it for a couple of days. Ferment it for, you know, 2 days and taste it and see how it is. And then when you're done with it, stuff it in the fridge, and then it'll just kind of, it'll slow the fermentation down, and then it'll kind of hold it at that flavor, at that kind of flavor profile. And then you'll have it and you can eat it and enjoy it, and you don't have to eat this super sour, disgusting probiotic thing. Just ferment it for a couple of days and you can enjoy it. But let's look at what we got going on here. We've got just some carrots and a little bit of ginger. We're gonna do some salt and just a small jar. You can make things, you know, if you're trying this out for the first time, just make a little bit. This is, I don't know, almost probably a pint. Don't make, you know, a 3-gallon jar of these ferments that you're gonna be kind of weird with. Just make a little bit and see if you taste it and see if you like it. So here, we're just gonna do just a little tiny carrot ferment. So, like I said, it's just gonna be a carrot slaw. So let's slaw some carrots on the big end of your grater. Yeah, so, you know, not a ton. These carrots I just scrubbed off with like a green scrubby. And then a little bit of ginger. You can use a spoon just to get the skin off of the ginger. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grate this too. I'm just gonna get a little grated ginger down in our carrots and give it a nice little flavor. And maybe mask that fermented taste that you don't necessarily love, but so here, maybe about 2 tablespoons worth of ginger, or a little more if you like ginger. So, but that's really all it is. And then about, for that much carrots, maybe a tablespoon of salt. And then we're gonna just stir it up, mix it together, pack it in our jar. Look how easy this is. I mean, this is literally a couple of carrots, a little bit of ginger, pack it in a jar. A little pickle pebble, you know, I put a weight on your ferment. You don't want this stuff rising up. You want to keep everything underwater. You want to keep, when you're fermenting, you're creating an environment for these lactobacters that are already on the carrots. Squeeze the air out. And I'm going to go ahead and just throw my pickle pipe on it and a ring. And you're done. Here, let this sit on the counter for just a couple of days, and then taste it. So today's what, Saturday? Maybe around Wednesday, Thursday. Pop this open, take the pickle pebble out, and give it a little taste and see how it tastes. And you'll have that little bit of lactic acid, that little bit of you know, pickled flavor, that little bit of fermented flavor. And if you like it, that's good. You're done. You throw it in the fridge, keep it that way. But this is a super simple carrot ferment that you can make. And it's that easy. And then here, I mean, literally, it's been like 2 days, and this stuff is already delicious. It's literally just like a carrot slaw, and it's delicious. It's got that nice ginger flavor. And that ferment The fermentation, that lactic acid, is just, you know, not something that you can make with acetic acid. But this is delish, you know, as a nice accompaniment, maybe on the side of a salad, maybe on, you can put it on top of a burger. You can eat this stuff on anything. It's delicious. And really, you're trying to get probiotics in your diet, this is really all you need. Just literally like a tablespoon. Just grab a little bit out of the fridge and put a little bit on a plate, on the side of your burger, on the side of, you know, some eggs, whatever you're having. Just have a little bit, just have a little taste. That's all you need to eat. You don't need to eat a ton of probiotics. You just need to eat a little bit every day, every meal, and enjoy your health. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you're enjoying these videos. Let me know what you want to ferment. Let me know what you'd like to see on the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the share button, the little curvy arrow, and share this out to your Facebook and your social media, and let your friends know that you're eating some fermented food, and I'm teaching you how to make it. Enjoy.